Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a Haitian hot chocolate. So for this you're going to be needing 1 tablespoon of butter, and I have half a cup of sugar. You can use as little or as much sugar as you wish, and I will be grating some nutmeg, and you'll be needing 4 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of almond extract. If you have vanilla you can use that as well. And I have 2 balls of unrefined cocoa, or chocolate balls as I call them. These were sent to me from my mom in Haiti. I'm sure if you have a Hispanic or Asian store, you can find them, or even maybe on Amazon, you could find them. And I have some cinnamon sticks and some anise star. And you'll be needing a can of carnation milk. This is a 12-ounce can, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And I have a strainer that I'll be using. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, so you want to start by turning your stove on to medium high, and I'm going to go ahead and put in my water to my pot. And I'm going to put in my cinnamon sticks and anise star, or star anise, and then my chocolate balls. And you are going to allow this to come to a boil. I like to stir it every now and then just until the chocolate balls are melted nicely. You want to make sure each of the balls are melted before we do anything else. So this should take about 5 minutes. Just make sure you keep stirring it as they are melting. Now once your chocolate balls has melted, we are going to take the liquid and strain it. So you're going to take another bowl and just basically strain it so we can get rid of any residues, so our hot chocolate can be as smooth as possible. I'll show you guys. So as you can see, there's a lot of residues. We don't want that, but I will be taking the cinnamon sticks out, or you can use new cinnamon sticks if you wish. So just return the liquid back into the pot, and you could restrain it again if you want, but that is totally fine for me. And now we are going to stir it just a little bit, and to that you're going to add your salt, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to grate a little bit of nutmeg, about 1/8 teaspoon as well. I like using fresh nutmeg, but if you don't have fresh nutmeg, you can use the ones that comes in the bottle. And then you are going to want to add your butter just to give it a nice silk taste. And then I'm going to add my milk. It smells so good. Even though it's just hot chocolate, it smells really delicious. And then I'm going to add my almond. And then lastly, you want to add your sugar. So just mix all that in. And at this point, I like to reduce my heat just so it don't boil over. So reduce your heat to about medium or medium low, and just allow this to simmer for a good 5 to 10 minutes. Otherwise, it's pretty much done. You want to taste for sweetness, and half a cup of sugar is plenty to me, but like I said, if you want to add more, go ahead and add more. Just keep stirring it a little bit. If you haven't, please go follow me on Facebook. Go like my Facebook page, and also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and come snap with me on Snapchat. I will leave the link for all those down in the description box for you guys to check out. Again, let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure you keep an eye on it so it don't boil over, because we did add milk to this. and otherwise it will be done. All right guys, my hot chocolate is pretty much done. I did end up adding the cinnamon sticks back in it off camera. I just rinse them out and add them back in there. Again, if you want, you can just add fresh ones. And this is pretty much it. If you want yours a little darker, you can definitely add about half a can of that carnation milk. You don't have to add a whole can, but I like mine to look like this. So again, I am done drinking it, so I do it how I like, but hopefully you guys will try this recipe. This was actually a requested video that one of you made a while ago, so I'm sorry for the late video, but finally I have it out for you. Hopefully you will find it helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel guys. Please comment, like, and please share this video with everybody you know, as well as sharing the whole channel with everybody you know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.